This is YachtWorld Legends, an in-depth exploration of amazing vessels. In this episode, we're taking you aboard two unique and stunning super yachts. The 180-foot Gene Machine, built by ATVs, and her support vessel, Gene Chaser, a 182-foot steel hull vessel with an aluminum superstructure built by Damen, complete with a working research laboratory on board.
Hey everyone, I'm Ryan McVinney, and welcome back to another episode of YachtWorld Legends. Here I am in the main salon of this amazing 180-foot super yacht built by ATVs by the name of Gene Machine. And this is the first area you enter on board the boat when you come in. And this is kind of the space where guests and family would hang out during inclement weather. You got a full-size dining table here, a nice L-shaped couch. You've even got a case with butterflies, and those were once real live butterflies. Renowned super yacht designer Tim Heywood designed Gene Machine's exterior, while Enzo and Enea designed her interiors. She has a steel hull along with an aluminum superstructure and weighs approximately 670 tons. All right, everyone, we've made our way up to the sun deck, which is the top deck on Gene Machine. Talk about a beautiful place to hang out. Here on the aft side of the sun deck, you have a protected area. This is a nice lounge with a full bar right there. You got triple seating at a bar with teak wood, chrome accents. Nice area here. We have a chance to sit down with Captain Matt. Thanks for having us, Matt.
No problem, thanks for coming.
Yeah. So how long have you been the captain of Gene Machine?
Just over 2 years.
So this boat is owned by Dr. Jonathan Rothberg.
Yeah.
For people that don't know, he is a DNA sequencing scientist, correct?
Correct, hence the name Gene Machine. That's where it's all started.
Yeah.
She's 180 feet or 55 meters, 9.25 meter beam with a 3.5 meter draft, depending on how we're loaded.
Okay.
Fantastic seagoing boat. Twin MTU 2000 series, so about 1,000 horsepower each side.
Yeah.
Generally cruising speed around 10 knots, 10 to 12 knots, and top speed of 15. The accommodations are very nice, especially the captain's cabin, but even for the crew, it's very well laid out, good decent sized crew mess. We're well cared for by two chefs. We don't go wanting anything, really, let's put it that way.
Yeah.
We're very well cared for.
All right, guys, here I am in this awesome master stateroom. The crew just gave me a nice cup of coffee, so I'm warming up here. This says Rothberg's. This boat is owned by Jonathan Rothberg, of course. This is his private space. So you can see a huge king-size bed. You've got two flat screen TVs, a nook over here for watching TV, your workstation, day head separated from a shower, steam room, jetted tub, and a full walk-in closet that's huge with mirrors all around. Here at the main helm, this is a state-of-the-art wheelhouse. You've got all digital charts.
The ATVs product, the LE180, is a very sturdy boat.
What are some notable characteristics about the wheelhouse there?
Yes, we're fully Yachts approved, which is great. It means we're not carrying any paper charts. We did upgrade the FLIR camera 2 years ago to the M500.
It's just a higher quality picture, basically.
Yes, larger infrared zoom,
Yeah.
better optical camera.
And it helps with the icebergs too, like if you're far up north.
Sure,
right?
yeah, it's got an ice mode.
One thing about this boat is that it actually broke the record for going the furthest north of any privately owned yacht. So that's pretty cool. The record was later broken, but it did get so far up north that they used this FLIR camera to help them look for icebergs. Hey everyone, I'm here in the bridge salon on the second deck of Gene Machine, playing this beautiful Steinway piano that they have here. And this is a beautiful space. Let's take a look. Jean Machine's unique beach club features a tile mosaic that depicts underwater scenes from the movie Finding Nemo, complete with Bruce, the fish-friendly shark.
All right, guys, so this is the forward side of the sun deck. You can see this beautiful hot tub. Check out these teak accents all around the tub. This is a great place to enjoy a soak. You've got 6 lounge chairs up front here. Down below, you can see the crane. And then check out that seat in the bow, man. That's where I would sit underway. That's like a commanding place to get the whole view.
You have a support vessel that travels with you.
Yes. I did the delivery and commissioning of Jean Chaser and brought her over before handing it over to another captain. Jean Chaser, she's a little faster, more nimble. You feel a bit more of the sea compared to this.
Yeah.
But she's very smooth. She's powered by Caterpillars and quad setup, so she's 4 engines, 3412s, 1500 horsepower piece.
Okay.
So a total of 6,000 horsepower. So we're looking at 21 knots.
21 knots for a boat that big is pretty quick.
Yeah.
And there's 2 laboratories on board that vessel, is that right?
There's a primary lab and a workshop.
So that's kind of the owner's office, and this is his living area?
Yeah, that's a good way of describing it. The owner decided that it would be best to have a separate platform entirely to allow for him to host meetings, have conferences, host scientists and investors. Show off his tech there.
Right, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I read about that. So it's like a portable MRI machine, basically.
Correct.
So it's on board that vessel.
Yes, set up for brain scans now, and I think they're looking to push that into other parts of the body. But you know, the boss has succeeded very well at taking large medical devices and shrinking them down, making them more portable.
I see. And it's called, I think the name Jean Chaser, I mean, obviously it's chasing Jean Machine, the mothership, but it's also kind of like a double entendre because it's chasing genes, right?
Literally, yeah. The water sampling and heading out there and finding new forms of life is one of his big goals and aspirations. So
awesome.
So we have the Wolverine UTV, the 2 800cc ATVs,
nice.
2 BMWs, smaller GSs, and then some scooters as well. The Nautique, the wakeboard boat, fleet of 5 jet skis now. I mean, it's just getting bigger and bigger. So
that's cool.
And those are taken ashore with the landing craft.
All right, everyone, thanks for joining us for this episode of Yacht World Legends, checking out the amazing Jean Machine and her sister ship, the Jean Chaser. We'll see you on the next episode for another amazing vessel.
This is Yacht World Legends, an in-depth exploration of amazing vessels.